As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Spire Premium Grill. What do you think?
Well, right off the bat, the Spire is significantly bigger and heavier, right? Like 118 pounds compared to the Charbroil's 20 pounds.
Yeah, the Charbroil is definitely the portable option. I'm seeing it's designed for tailgating and camping. The Spire seems more like a permanent fixture for an outdoor kitchen.
Exactly. The Spire is a built-in grill head, while the Charbroil is a tabletop model. Cooking area is also a big difference. Spire has 750 square inches, and Charbroil only has 200.
Okay, so Spire wins on size, but what about power?
The Spire cranks out 63,000 BTUs with its 5 burners and a rear burner, while the Charbroil only has 9,500 BTU from a single burner. So Spire has more cooking power.
Wow, that's a huge difference. But the Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which they claim eliminates flare-ups and cooks food evenly. Does the Spire have anything similar?
It does boast porcelain-coated cast iron grates for even heat distribution, but nothing as specific as TRU-Infrared. Also, it has a rear burner.
Right. Fuel type is another key difference. The Charbroil uses small propane tanks, while the Spire is designed for natural gas, though it seems it can be converted to propane.
Yep, and the Spire is all stainless steel, which should be durable. The Charbroil has a stainless steel grate, but the rest is mostly painted steel.
So it sounds like the Charbroil is great for portability and smaller cookouts, while the Spire is a powerhouse for serious grilling at home.
That's a good summary. The Charbroil is also way cheaper. The Spire is over $800.
Okay, so it really depends on what I'm looking for. A portable grill for occasional use, or a built-in grill for a dedicated outdoor kitchen.
Exactly. Think about your needs and your budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.